Hey everybody, it's me, Dr. Jake Rohr from STEM Education Works, and today we're going to be diving into a really interesting kit based around renewable energy, specifically hydrogen fuel cells from Horizon Educational. The particular kit in question we have here is this little setup. We have our blue square piece here. This is acting as our electrolyzer and our hydrogen fuel cell. And then over here, we have these two containers for collecting our hydrogen and oxygen gas. And what's really neat about this is that we can see how much hydrogen and oxygen we've collected simply from the displacement of the water in these little beakers. Now, the process of running this kit is sort of a two-stage process. So first off, we have to generate our hydrogen and our oxygen gas to run our fuel cell. And so that's where we're going to use this guy as an electrolyzer. An electrolyzer is essentially just a device that takes water, liquid water, and splits it into hydrogen gas and oxygen gas. So in order to commence that process, I'm going to get just a little bit of water, maybe about a milliliter or so, in my little syringe here. And I'm going to put that water into the oxygen side of the hydrogen fuel cell. And it's very important to put it in the oxygen side, the part with the little red dot right there instead of the black dot. And I'm going to go ahead and insert that in there. And I'm going to push that water into there. And as you can see, we get a little bit of stream of excess water shooting out there, but that is to be totally expected. So now that we've supplied our electrolyzer with water to produce our hydrogen and oxygen gas, we can hook up our system here to our little beakers. And so the hydrogen beaker is going to be plugged into the hydrogen side of this reversible fuel cell. The oxygen beaker is going to be plugged into the oxygen side. So one of the key concepts to understand here as we are performing the process of electrolysis is that in order to produce our hydrogen and oxygen gas, we actually need to put energy into the system to make that happen. And so here I have a little battery pack. The kit also does come with a solar cell that you can use to generate your hydrogen and oxygen gas from a renewable resource. But just for the sake of speed and efficiency today, we're going to use this little battery pack. So I plug it into our electrolyzer here, I turn it on, and over time, you will see little bubbles of hydrogen and oxygen gas form in these beakers, and it should take us just a couple minutes to collect our gas. So now that we've taken a couple minutes to produce our gases via electrolysis, now it's time to actually run this thing as a hydrogen fuel cell. So whereas electrolysis took energy to run, the hydrogen fuel cell here is going to take these gases, mix them back together, producing water, and create electricity in the process. And in order to demonstrate that, I have a little LED light right here, and I'm going to place that next to my setup here. I'm going to plug the red positive wire into the oxygen side of our reversible hydrogen fuel cell / electrolyzer. And as you can see, we are producing voltage through this device as we speak. That the gases that are located in the beakers here are slowly being sucked back into our little fuel cell here, producing electricity. Isn't that amazing? We're literally taking water, splitting it into hydrogen and oxygen gas, and then we are recombining those gases to produce electricity. So if you're interested in implementing kits like these in your classroom, be sure to visit us at stemeducationworks.com.